Welcome to the Storyboard AI. Today, we're going to learn about the types of AI. And for that, let's imagine a short story of 3 different robots who each represent a different type of AI technology. Let's meet our first AI robot friend, Wendy, the weak AI. But don't let the name trick you. Wendy is not really weak. It's just super focused on doing one thing really well. Wendy could be the best chess player in the world, but when asked to play checkers, it's totally lost. Or it might be amazing at catching spam emails but can't craft a new message. Or maybe it's a pro at spotting cats in photos, but show it a picture of a dog and it will not understand. You see, Wendy can only do the one thing it was designed for. That's what makes it a narrow AI. Super powerful, but only in its special lane. Now let's meet our second AI robot, Jean, the generative AI. Think of it as a super creative artist who can generate new things. This artist looks at its collection of books and identifies hidden patterns and can predict what the output could be. A popular example of this is ChatGPT. Jean can write stories and poems that sound like humans wrote them. It can create beautiful pictures from just a description. It can even make music and help with your homework. But remember, it can only create things from what it has been taught. It can't really learn new things or learn new language on its own like humans. So, it's still a branch of weak AI. Now, for our last AI robot, who's a bit different. Let's name it Stella. Stella is a strong AI that does not actually exist yet. It's imaginary, like in science fiction movies and books. The perfect example is the one in the recent Wild Robot movie. If Stella did exist, it would be like a human mind. It could learn anything all by itself, possibly understand people's feelings, think deeply about complicated problems, feels like it's aware of itself and can come up with completely new ideas that nobody ever taught. As far as we know, for now, Stella doesn't exist, and it might take many years for it to become a reality. This unique intelligence, which is just like humans, is called artificial general intelligence, or in short, AGI or strong AI. And there you have it, the main types of AI. Some AIs are specialists at one job and can be extremely creative in generating new things, while some are still just in our imagination. Which one did you find most interesting? Do you think AGI is possible? Take a moment and think about the various things in your day-to-day life that you can relate to these types of AI. See you soon!